Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel our shipment that we have created already. So to delete your shipment plan, what you have to do is now you have to log into your Amazon seller account, definitely. And then you have to go to inventory tab and then manage FBA shipments. This page will appear in front of you. So these are the three shipments plan I have created for my part and I want to delete these two shipments plans, what I should do and how I can delete this. So you just have to click on this name of the shipment. This detail page then will appear in front of you, and then what you have to do is just click again on the name of shipment. So the detail of the shipment will be in front of you after that. So you just have to scroll down and you can delete your shipment from here. Just click on delete and confirm. Check this button. Just tap on this delete shipment and charges. You have to wait a little bit. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.